In this video, you will see how to give access to someone on your Facebook or Meta page. So this can be achieved with 4 simple steps. So follow along. I'm showing this on the desktop version. Go on to your Facebook. Make sure you are in your profile first. In order to add someone to your Facebook page, you and that person, you have to become friends first. This is one of the requirements. If you guys are not friends, you cannot add that person to the page. First, be that person's friend and then go to the page. So this is the page. If you don't see your page on the right side, then you can go to see all profiles. So you will see all of your associated pages. Go to your page, go to professional dashboard, go to page access towards the bottom, and then you can give this access to your page. You will have to look for that person over here. And if you guys are friends, that person will come up over here. And after that, you have to give that person the access you want to give him or her. And then Facebook will ask for your password. And that's it, it's done. That person will get a notification on his or her Facebook, and that person have to accept it. If you have liked the video, put a thumbs up. If you'd like to see similar content, please subscribe to our channel.